the October 2021 release of the dashboard, we're introducing rich text editing. This enables you to change the font, font size, text colour and background colour of text. It means that you will no longer need to format using HTML, and you'll also be able to apply formatting to single characters, words, sentences or individual paragraphs rather than applying the same formatting to an entire text box. With this release, we've included a number of fonts as standard, and you'll be able to see these in Dashboard Configuration Settings. We've also taken the opportunity to split the settings screen into two separate pages. The first page, General Settings, includes things like security configuration and additional fonts as mentioned, and the second page includes global variables. Although we've added a number of fonts as standard, you can still add additional fonts by clicking the Add icon here. You can find full details of how to do this in Pi documentation. Once you've added a new font, it will be stored at the bottom of the list, and you can then sort it alphabetically by clicking this icon. New formatting toolbars will be available in Pi reports. You'll see them on an individual report by clicking into a text box, and you can see the toolbar here. You'll also be able to see it in the Schedules section by clicking on a schedule, and in the Email section you will see some choices at the top. We've also added a new toolbar onto card charts. So if I edit this card chart here and click into one of the text boxes, you'll see a toolbar at the top that has a number of formatting options. If you're familiar with creating card charts or reports and using the HTML option that was previously available, you'll notice that this section of the dashboard is also a little different. We've actually hidden the options under the Show Advanced Options section. They are still available, and you can click on Show Advanced Options to see them. But it does mean that you don't have to format using these options, which were quite restrictive. To format text, and this applies to both cards and reports, select the text that you want to format. You can then choose between the font size, the font family, the colour, the background colour. So a background colour, for example, will just apply a background colour to the selected text. We've also got the usual bold, italic and underlining and alignment options, and then we come across to this icon which allows us to copy formatting from one area of a card or a report to somewhere else. So to use this, select the item that has the formatting that you want to copy, click the icon, and then you can actually select another area and apply the same formatting. The copy formatting option will allow you to paste a number of different selections which will remain on the paste option until you either refresh the page, quit the dashboard, so you close out using the cross at the top right, or you log out completely. Once you've done any of those, these formatting options will disappear. You can as well clear the list if you need to before you log out or before you refresh the page. So as a few examples for you, I've actually formatted a few different card charts here using some of the formatting options that we have available. You can see here we've applied background colour to the entire chart. We've got different fonts at the bottom here and coloured fonts at the top. We've also got underlining, we've got different font styles and sizes, etc. So these are just a few examples of the things that you can do, but we've also got full information on how to use this new feature in Pi documentation.